makes one part historic charm. Stir in an ocean breeze, add a hefty pour of southern hospitality, and you have yourself the sweetest getaway in the South, Savannah. With its antebellum architecture, romantic cobblestone streets, and iconic culinary scene, it's no wonder Savannah was named one of the best small towns in the US. In this video, we'll show you the best things to do with kids in Savannah, take you to Savannah's beach, whisk you away to the most delicious restaurants in the city, and watch till the end where we show you a wild rooftop bar that has something we've never seen before.
So this morning we are starting our time in Savannah on the beach. That's right, Savannah has a beach. It's called Tybee Island and it's only 20 minutes from the city.
Tybee is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, there are restaurants right along the ocean. There are plenty of beach homes and condos to choose from. And man, these beaches are absolutely stunning.
And it is a nice, nice morning. We got out here early because someone tends to overheat a little bit and the sun gets a little intense.
It's Scott.
I am heat sensitive. But it is beautiful out here. We've got some driftwood up on the beaches. How cool is this?
It is.
Oh,
So cute.
Then we've got the dunes in the background. It is stunning. I'm loving this.
Me too. Okay, about to pop some bubbly on the beach in Tybee. Oh, I can't get this. Oh, here we go, here we go. Okay, have a great vacation, shall we? Oh, I love that sound. Woohoo!
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, this is amazing. We are at Polk Street Beach and we are on this beautiful picnic.
It is by Port Town Collective, and they set up all of these amazing picnics around Savannah and Tybee. And this is luxurious, guys. We have Brut Rosé, cheers,
Cheers.
again, and an amazing dinner from Sly's, and a perfect beach setting for sunset.
Oh,
Can't get much better.
It's so nice.
They even brought sunscreens and toys for Scotland, so that was really special. This is a parent's, oh gosh, the baby grabbed the camera.
Camera guy's a little new to the job.
This is a parent's dream because, guys, everything was set up for us. We had a bottle of champagne when we arrived. We had beach towels and sunscreen and a speaker and food. We didn't have to do a thing. That is a parent's dream.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. We are at Origin Coffee Bar, and this is a spot you need to come to have some amazing coffee and some delicious breakfast. I mean, they have everything you could want. Obviously, avocado smashed toast, that was Scotland's favorite, and Mom and Daddy loved the cortados. But this place has it all. It has great ambiance, has great decor, great food, great coffee. I mean, it's just what you're looking for a great coffee shop. So we're at the deck on Tybee Island, and this is the epitome of beachfront dining. The restaurant is right behind me there, and then this way is the beach. It is just maybe 200 meters from the actual water. It's amazing. This place is great for coming to watch the sunset, has amazing food, and has delicious cocktails. Definitely recommend the key lime martini or the pineapple wipeout. Both of them are sensational and they might just knock you off your feet. So we're at Leopold's Ice Cream Shop, which is a must visit in Savannah. Obviously it's hot in Savannah and you need to get some delicious ice cream. Leopold's is the place to go. It's so famous. It's been around for 104 years. So you know that this place is gonna deliver some premium product. Common Thread is a place you must visit if you're in Savannah. This food is next level.
And it is set in this beautiful mansion on Millionaire's Row. It's this huge old house, and every single room is unique and different, and it's absolutely beautiful. But the food is next level. I mean, the oysters.
So good.
Ooh,
Pork.
So good.
Delicious. Chicken.
Scotland.
Delicious.
What did you think about that buttered pasta, girl?
Oh, she loved
it.
it.
So good. It was so good.
Cocktails, food, service, everything was amazing.
Oh, so good, girl, right?
If you could tell, we absolutely loved it.
Up.
All right,
Up.
time to get this one to bed.
What makes Savannah so special is its greenery and parks right within the city. Right now we are at Forsyth Park, which is an icon and a legend in the city of Savannah. It's a 30-acre park right in the center of the city. Now, in addition to Forsyth Park, there are actually 22 squares to explore in Savannah. It's a super walkable city, and I think that is one of the key things that makes Savannah so family friendly.
So we just made it to one of the coolest bars we've ever been to. This is the Electric Moon Rooftop Bar in downtown Savannah. And this is like an adult playground. There's ping pong, there's bags, it's a rooftop, so you're outside enjoying the weather. And you know, Colette and I had to get our favorite drink of all, an Aperol Spritz. And they have one of the coolest things that we've never seen this at a bar. You know what? Let me just go show you what it is.
3, 2, 1, go!
That's right, this bar has a slide for adults. Look at this thing, it's so cool.
Woohoo!
That was actually a lot of fun. That was fun.
Listen, there is no shortage of amazing cocktail bars in Savannah because Savannah people love to have their cocktails, and we love that. But Electric Moon is so much fun. It is an adult playground. I mean, there are slides, there's Jenga, there's bags. It's incredible, and it's family friendly until 6 p.m. and then the kiddos gotta go. So we were here bright and early at 3 p.m. just to enjoy some cocktails overlooking the riverfront in Savannah. And this must be the place. Cheers, y'all. When it comes to where to stay in Savannah, if you want to live like a local, rent an apartment right in the city. We rented through a company called Tybee Vacation Rentals. We also rented through them on Tybee Island.
1, 2, 3.
Their locations are amazing. Right on the beach in Tybee, right in the center city in Savannah. And these places are hugely spacious, as you can tell. Highly recommend it. Come on, you can do it. Yay! Yeah!